What's up, guys, bro? I did not stream yesterday, but I did take one trade. I took an Asia trade that night too, right? Ended up losing the Asia trade, and I lost the New York trade, right? But markets were closed because of Veterans Day, right? So I wish even have traded it, but it's okay. It's all good. We did it though. Right now, I'm just marking out some levels on ES since I really haven't done it in a while. You know what I mean? So I was like, I probably should mark some levels here. As you can see, I am up. I did take a gold long, which hit my TP after I got out of it, I guess, just now. Insane pump. What an insane pump. We sold right here. Obviously, overnight trade. I expected us to come right here. Took it off the hourly engulfing down here, guys. That's what I planned out, right? We just kept chopping, right? I get it. It was right before, market open, of course, too. But yeah, dude, fucking, I guess we just hit TP right now. So good trade on that part, I would say, bro. Definitely a good trade on that part. I could see us taking a short right here on NQ. I would just don't want to see us pumping crazy. This engulfing looks nice right here. Take some more shorts, follow that, back down, but we'll see what happens. I'm honestly super happy. You know what I mean? I can't. I know I'm like, oh fuck, this shit always happens, right? I'm starting, view it a little bit differently now, I guess, right? Like, okay, look, our trade hit, right? Yes, we caught a portion of it, right? But we were majority right of it. That would have been a long ass trade to hold too, anyways. So that would have been insane hold right there. But yeah, oh, it looks like I don't even think we're gonna be able to catch this short, to be honest, guys. Let me pop out this chat just in case. There we go. But yeah, dude, that would have been a goated fucking trade, bro, if we would have held it. It's okay though. I always tell myself too, I was like, I'm not gonna sell, and then we always end up selling, bro. Goodness, this is more than half of that right there, bro. That's crazy. 374 ticks, we sold 164. Yeah, 360, like 370s over aiming for 370 ticks. I was trying to get like 15. I was like, I think it's gonna hit this, and it's like 1500. So I was like, this should be good. Damn, it's all good. It's all good, bro. Can't even be mad. It went our direction. That's all that matters. At least y'all can see what I'm saying, right? Double bottom, engulfing on the hourly, stops underneath the engulfing. Obviously, we just chopped overnight, but we ended up pumping as soon as, New York opened. I do think it would just be too much for me to risk right here. See, guys, I'm risking over 200, almost 260 ticks just to make somewhere around there, like a 101. I just want to see us maybe perhaps a climb back right here, come back down, but I don't know. We'll see if we have that. I don't think we will. Put MES over here. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Crazy as fuck. Maybe I missed that move. see how we can mark up over here. Not really saying too much. Chop. Yes. Dude, crazy. That's the biggest candle we've had yet, bro. Now I'll go with the movement. Low key, gap fill, but we definitely need a retracement. Look at this, bro. He said, yeah, bro. Okay. He said, yes. Okay, S&P 500 Ollie. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Yeah, we could definitely see something go down, bro. I definitely do think, we're going to gap down somewhere. I wanted to kind of catch this right here. Once we came back up here, reversed down, but we missed it. Engulfing was pretty fucking huge, bro. It would be pretty ugly for me to risk that much. I feel like, you get what I'm saying? Like, this would be just pretty ugly, bro. Okay, well, I don't know if I would like to take that. Basically, is what I'm saying. But yeah, dude, this is a gold trade I took last night on the hourly, bro. Hit TP, sold super early though, an hour early. Pain, but it is what it is. Size down to the risk is the same. What you mean by that? Yeah, well, good trade, bro. I sold like halfway, bro. I sold right here, dude. So I was like, bro, we're not getting. I know. Like, I mean, I understand it was like still, you know what I mean? Fucking market, right? Before market open, right? Sold literally at like 15 minutes before. Ford just waited, bro. Doing good. Low key, if I see a fucking engulfing right here, 5 minute, I'm gonna go ahead and take a short. But honestly, we tapped this way too many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just like our fifth time tapping into it. Yeah, no, appreciate it, Ali, bro, for real. We'll see. We'll see if I really like to take that or not. I would much rather want to take an NQ trade. Yeah, like yesterday, I think I lost like $600 something, bro. I think it was like maybe a little bit more, like 650, because I sized up, I like re-put in some more contracts. Like, bro, this is good. Dude, only thing I like this though, bro. Even though it's our fifth time chopping, it's just, bro, we fucking respecting it pretty nicely right here. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah, honestly, yeah, bro. Maybe we definitely want to catch this top of the zone perfect and go from the top of the zone. It would be perfect if we catch that. We'll see. We'll see. This is like a perfect setup for me, I would say. But we still got 3 minutes on the clock to go, bro. So I definitely want to, wait until then. I don't want to jump the gun. But oh my god, enter, and then fucking does not end up being a goal. Sometimes we don't jump it and then it just floods down, right? But it's all right, bro. Look, it's gonna be wait. We're already up 640 almost, bro. There's no need for me to rush this at all. Just see what happens. That would be crazy though. For example, if you look at risk 330 points, my first stop right quick. Yeah, roast cooking. Whew. Yeah, better to wait until I'm feeling exactly, bro. Like, not tripping too much. You see, look, it didn't even end up in that's an end goal, right? That's fine. We didn't jump the gun. That's what I was saying too. Like it's hard fifth time tapping it, bro. Ugh. So that's why we're not making this 5 minute right here. It's perfectly fine. I'd rather let's not make it. If we're gonna keep going hell higher, dude. Damn, that was a good trade, bro. We really messed out on a lot. 370, 170, bro. Missed out like 200 more ticks. Oh, that's what it looks like. If I don't really see a move in like the next 15 minutes, bro, I think I'm just go ahead and end it, bro. Just end off the $640 day. You feel me? But we shall see, Ollie, bro. What have you took so far, Ollie? Have you took anything yet? I was in for buys, but yes was just not covered. I think you were gonna take the trade, and honestly, I saved myself. Well, that's good, yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm looking at them right now too. They're a little bit for sure different, bro. Right now, what was gonna happen? This is what I would want. Let's climb back up here. Either 1 minute or 5 minute. We have like an engulfing downward, right? I want to enter off of that. Then I'll probably have stops still above this. I'll probably put stops like right here. It's not risking like 140 right there. Probably try to aim for like a little bit like right here. Or I could honestly hold to the bottom of the zone either way. Yeah, this is what I would want. I would want to see. So what we're having right here. I wanted to close right here, so we got that perfect angle. But climb up even higher too, to be honest. I think we could really see. I don't think we're gonna have that perfect set. I think we could just end up floating back down right now. But we'll wait. We're in no rush again. Yeah, exactly, bro. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, bro. I mean, like, obviously, like, kind of like what I'm thinking too. Like, we already have that huge move downward. You know what I mean? We could just be trying to go upward from here on now. You're here on out. We'll see. We shall see. Or even if we close inside the zone, go for 1 minute down would be fire. Yeah. Look. No. Just right. Look at go crazy, bro. Have y'all seen that? Seen that fucking Ollie, bro? That one girl that called a whole bunch of churches, bro. Right? Like asking for help just to see. It was like a social experiment, right? Just to see what they would say. And like almost everyone fucking said no, bro. And I think there was like a few people that did say yes. A few churches that said yeah. That's crazy, bro. I didn't get you. What you mean? Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, yeah. So like, there's this lady, and she was doing like a social experiment about seeing if like people would help out a pregnant lady, right? Like if they, so example, damn, bro, we're low key moving right now, bro. Fucking 1 5 minute candle, 105 ticks on fucking gold, a little bit more than that, but so yeah, there's this social experiment of this girl. She was calling churches, like Catholic churches, Christian churches, like all sorts of religious places. Was saying like, look, was like asking, like, hey guys, like my baby's starving. Like, is there any way I could get like some formula, right? The baby crying in the background, obviously, to like make it believable. And everyone said no, bro. Everyone said no, which is what's crazy. Almost, I think like maybe four churches or whatever, said yeah, yeah, like like yeah, I'll help you. And yeah, it was just crazy, bro. It goes to show, bro. Like, damn, bro. Like y'all say, like y'all are here to help, and y'all don't do anything to help. You feel me? Damn, I thought it was pretty wild, bro. Like, damn, bro. You know what I mean? A lot of their money goes to food banks and stuff. You feel me, bro? Like a lot of their donations go to food banks, help out. You know what I mean? Those in need. And then when someone asks about like a $20, hey, like I need formula, they all just be like, "Nah, we don't got the money. Nah, we don't got the money." $20, bro. Maybe I think it's like 64, honestly, right? Dude, I know, bro, Ollie, bro, that was crazy, bro. And then she like called a whole bunch of religious places, right? It was obviously like an experiment. Yeah, it was crazy. I think it said that all the like, Catholic churches said yes. There's a few Christian churches. I'm not Christian or Catholic. I'm just saying, right? And then I think she called like one of the Muslim people said yes, right? Muslim said yes. One of them that she called. And bro, she even called this like satanic like worshiping place, right? Just to see what they would say, and they even said yeah, bro. Which is what's crazy, bro. You feel me? Like, damn, you mean to tell me a satanic place, bro? Satanic worship place. So yeah, I'll help you. You know what I mean? Over a fucking Christian or whatever church that is, bro. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, no, dude, that was definitely crazy, bro. Well, as you can see, the fucking NQ worked, but engulfing held. It was just too much for me to risk, bro. What's up, Ricky Trader, bro? I know you weren't here, bro, but dude, look, I sold right here. We ended up climbing to my TV. This was an overnight trade I took like real late, bro. Like 1 a.m. in the morning, bro. I was like, hold on. I was telling my cousin, I was like, hold on, bro. I want to see if we can engulf this so I could take this long, which we did. Obviously, we chopped during overnight hours, but like, dude, this shit hit. I was like, no. I really wanted to take this short on NQ. I would have just been risking way too much. Way too much. Would have risked like that much right there. 260 ticks. Or I made like, yeah, like 3 to 4 kind of thing. Damn, we're having engulfing on 1 minute, guys. I'll tell you. I don't know, bro. I think we might just go ahead and lock the account, bro. I don't think I'm going to be singlish here, anyways. Other than a double bottom, I would say like right here. Maybe we see like a little double bottom for sure. I don't feel like. Maybe we'll wait for the last 20 minutes. Bro, I know, dude, but yeah, I sold, bro. Literally, I was like, bro, I was like, yeah, no, appreciate that, bro. But dude, yeah, I don't know. I think I don't think I'm ever gonna do something like that though again, bro. And like, I like stop moving my shit at break even now, bro. I've literally just said I'm gonna just let this shit run. But yeah, dude, super good engulfing double bottom on gold. Put the stops underneath. I had it like right here, guys, beforehand, right? I was shooting like 160, like right there. I was gonna risk more. I was gonna risk like right here. I was like, oh, that's way too much. We sold, so we basically did a 101 right here, right? We sold for like over here at 170. I don't know. I just thought it was like, bro, I've been in this trade for one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, bro. We were just kind of chopping. Obviously, I understand it's like Asia London session, right? But I was just like, I'm gonna just get out of it, bro. And we hit TP after a few minutes after we got out of it. We hit TP. What was that? 8:15. Yeah, like an hour later, we hit TP. Maybe the bottom is in low key, guys. I just thought we would tap into the bottom of this. Yeah, you can see we're like $4 above now. $4, not too shabby. Yeah. What the fuck, bro? I need to get the sideways ID, bro. I still have the front ID. You know how it's just like upward ID, and you get that like sideways ID. Right, yeah, I have the same picture I had up there since I was like 16, bro. Shit, Loki looks still like me, exactly like me. So I just had more face back. That's insane though, Ricky Trader, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro, that fucking does suck. It also just feels so different. When you're just practice trading, bro. Because it's like I don't know. I'm just like, bro, I really don't care. You know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like I got a practice trading account. Just like I'm gonna just walk away. You know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna be staring at the shirts to make fake money. I don't know. It's obviously a bad way of thinking, but dude, yeah, that shit sucks. Hopefully it comes by fucking a little bit faster, bro. We're telling them to send you like a digital copy so that you can send it in. Something like that. Too damn. My under 21 virtual ID just expired on my B day last month. Oh shit, bro. Happy late birthday, dude. Happy late birthday, Rick Trader, bro. It's goaded, bro. Dude, yeah, I need to fucking, bro. I don't know why I couldn't find the word. I was just saying upward. Yeah, my vertical ID too. I need to switch that out to my sideways ID, horizontal. Oh, your virtual ID too, vertical. Vertical. Oh, pain. Ugh. Yeah, she gonna be tired, bro. Felt like, bro, like dead ass, bro. While I was trading, bro, I felt like I was actually like, I mean, while I was sleeping, I felt like I was like still up looking at the charts, bro. Like that had to be like the top 10 worst sleeps ever, bro. Top 10 worst sleeps. Worst trades either, bro. I mean, not really. I did 600, right? 640, but still, all that time, bro. Hey, low key, yeah, bro. I went to this guy named like Rick Trade's little meetup, bro, in New York. I think you were here when I told you that, bro. I think he was like promoting it and shit. He's like a big promoter for them or something like that. And he gave out like all free accounts, which was nuts, bro. That was like crazy, crazy tough. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna just call it, lay in bed, bro, because my back hurts sitting on this fuck ass chair this one time, bro. If I were to take a trade, it would be like right here. Right? I would want an engulfing at the bottom. Squeeze double bottom right here. I hope the average closes somewhere like around here. Inside, like still where we kind of respect it. That's something I would want. And I would want, let's say, boom, downward candle. You could wake out of it, whatever. You come back up. You want like an engulfing right there. Where it's like 150 max. Ticks right there. Probably taking the trade upward up to like here. Maybe even more, it just depends, bro. But yeah, I think that would be like something I would aim for right there. Honestly, we'd probably aim for like up here too, but we'll see. We'll see. I really don't think we're gonna get it, but I'm still gonna be looking at it from my bed right here, so you can see, bro. My bed's like really right here. As in, my back fucking hurts every single time I sit on this chair, bro. I should have never bought this chair, bro. I rate this chair fucking 0, dude. But yeah, bro. I guess we're up 640 on the day. Definitely gonna wait, bro. And yeah, bro. I mean, if I do take a trade, I'm gonna go ahead and hop back on stream. But if not, yeah, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. All in Rip Trader, bro. I'll be safe, my brothers. Be safe.